All right, everyone. So there was a little mini giveaway of the Maggie Holmes collection of the die cuts that were still left in my Citrus Twist kit. And I had just said, if you wanted them, leave a comment. I had 7 comments on this video, but 1, 2, 3 of them did not ask for leftovers. So I'm just going to go for the ones that we did. So we have 1, 2, 3. Oops, you can't even see what I'm doing. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to go to random.org. Woo, 99. That would have been intense. Okay. So I got the stabilizer fixed on my phone. But it is not, I don't think it's completely fixed. Okay. So generate number 4. So 4 is going to be Scrappinonthego.